Good morning. Welcome to another video. 1 foot off grid.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm feeling extremely tired.
I'm so tired. Camera's not wide angle enough, so for the adventure, we're gonna have to go wide angle. Morning, boys.
Morning. Can't even see you in the back.
We're stuck in traffic, but we're on our way to Snowdonia. Excited?
Yes, very.
To the centre of Snowdonia.
Right in the middle.
We're here. What? You're back? Never left. Never left. We got here at 11. Woke up at...
That's late, isn't it?
Well, it was 2.5 hour journey, wasn't it? So it's not bad.
Are you cold? I'm super cold.
Well, you're wearing shorts.
Yeah, I've got shorts, flip-flops on.
Hello.
Just get that out of my face. Where's Arthur?
Yo.
Arthur,
Ready to rock?
ready to roll? Well, no. Need to get my trousers on. Get my trousers on.
No one's ready.
We've started, it's a little after 11 AM. It's a beautiful February day. Just crossing the road. Look at this view. First sign of ice. Actually, first sign of everything. We're at the bottom of this mountain that we now have to climb. Much more steep than I thought it would be. I'm already exhausted. Carnedd or something. Carnedd. This is so steep.
Right, that is the route, boys.
Great. What?
Yep,
That's the route?
that's the route.
How are you going to get up there? Oh my god!
Welcome to the latest 1 foot off grid. We've come to Carnedd Llewelyn today.
Millie's leading the way.
I don't know what the date is again. 24th of Feb. Yeah, it's really cold, but the weather is amazing. So we've just started. Wow.
Woo! Oh yeah! Whoa!
So we've got all the boys, Chris,
Hey-o.
Artie, Marty, Ollie,
Get my name, right?
and of course, little Millsy.
And yourself.
Matt.
If you can see this now, it's absolutely extreme. This is our path. Covered in ice. Narrow as anything. Sorry, I won't be a moment.
It's a good route.
I like it. I like it.
It's extreme, the fact that the path is completely covered in ice. Whew, this is a toughie. Right, we're at 400 metres, the top being just over 1,000, so we ain't far off half altitude.
No way.
It's a bit hazy, but the views are absolutely incredible. These two boys have got new boots for this walk. What do you go for? Brashers? Berghaus?
Bracious, bought by Berghouse.
Arthur?
Scarpers.
Nice.
Previously River Island.
We've already had a delayering, haven't we?
Yeah.
A bit warm once you get the heart pumping. What a day, I can't believe this. Yeah, this is quality.
As predicted, within 10 minutes of walking, especially up this, you're going to get hot. So, off with the shamag and off with the mountain equipment. I'm stuck.
Kind of look bigger.
Triplan's the second biggest.
There's a lake there, look. What are you doing?
There's the lake there, look. Quick pit stop before we tackle the beast. Looks mega, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Parkour! This is incredible. This is my favourite climb ever, I think. So challenging, isn't it? Oh, this is extreme.
Almost like all good, boys? Rest for a minute?
Yes, please, sir. Crazy rocks.
Most people are fine.
I got to a point where it's really steep, everyone's just stopped. Oh, it's fine. Millie's just doing a poo, I think. Oh, just struggling. Poor girl. Unbelievable. Ridiculous. Great view though.
So we found ourselves going off course slightly. And we've had to genuinely scramble this. Could have done with the ropes, to be fair. How was that?
Probably the steepest thing I've climbed.
Yeah, haven't we?
That's some challenging stuff.
That was hard, wasn't it?
That was really hard.
Another 6 or 7 miles to go or something like that, but at least it'll be flatter.
Oh, it's so cold. We're edging towards our first peak, if you can hear me. We're about 950 meters high. Oh, that is so cold. That's Carnedd Llewelyn there. That one. This wind, ridiculous.
There's a glider that just, I think, might come back again, but it swooped just past all of us, a lot closer than this. Wow. It looks like a massive paper aeroplane. Not a sound. No wonder no one expected it, because no one could hear anything. That's awesome.
Peak. How was it off?
Pretty grueling, to be honest, but
Pretty hard work, eh?
yeah. It's tough.
It's tough. Water's completely frozen.
More than one.
So this is the decider for us and which way we get to the bothy, because it should be the other side of this ridge. I think there's one more peak.
One more peak.
I think it's dead in front of us.
We should hopefully see our accommodation for tonight, a bothy. No sign of it yet. We're still walking. We still haven't seen the bothy. The sun is setting, but apparently it's just here, but they've been saying that for a while.
Wow, this is crazy tough. Not far now, but the sun's gone. We've probably got 20 minutes, half an hour of available light. The blessing in disguise is that the ground is frozen, because it used to be pretty squelchy otherwise. Mark's ahead, the rest of the boys are behind. We kind of just want to get there. Oh dear, I'm so tired and hungry, so thirsty. Holding on to the thought that it's just over here. What a wicked day though. Come on Mills, we can do this. She's full of beans still. Unbelievable.
We just had to scramble down that cliff face vertical cliff face almost. Still not even near the bothy. Well, I can't even see it, but the view's great. Right next to a lake.
What a sight to behold. I thought we were at the wrong lake. Oh my god. Final push. Thank God for that. I thought we were at the wrong place. Oh man, what an inspiration to keep going. And I don't know if I can smell smoke. Is it a hallucination? I don't know. Oh,
How's your feet?
so bad.
I need to get a shift on it, pissing off.
So bad.
Finally got to the bothy. It's over there, if you can see. Matt and Marty have already arrived. Me and Artie at the back. Dulwyn Bothy as I live and breathe. This is where we'll be camping tonight. A little island. Matt's always wanted to camp on an island, so I guess this is as close to it as he'll get. There's so much to do. It's such little space. I'm in my tent. 3 of the guys have gone to the bothy. My camelback is frozen, so I can't get any water. Just going to lie down for a minute and then eat something because I am exhausted.
I think it's called Llewelyn Bothy.
Well, just for camera, what you got in that sandwich?
Blue cheese, fillet steak, asparagus, and tomatoes.
Beautiful.
The 2 oranges.
Actually, the noodles like sandwich and oranges fill me up.
So that's the end of the day. It's 2 degrees in the tents. It's pretty cold. Now it's time to sleep. It's absolutely freezing. It's cold. It's -1. Slept not too bad. Kept waking up cold and then getting warm somehow. Then back to sleep. That happened a good few times. It's super frosty. I'm gonna get dressed and get some food.
Yeah, we've got
Oh, we finished, yeah, right. Helicopter. Still got a whole journey to go back to the van, but that was our camping spot there. The little island. Fit all 5 of us on. Yeah, cute little place. Cute. The bothy's just behind me. No.
Extreme! Extreme! Parkour! Parkour!
Ginger's take to the sky. I don't have a catchphrase yet.
Big climb already. We've only going a few minutes really. Yeah, we've got a long way to go.
That's the top up there, isn't it?
Yeah, that'll be the ridge. Thoughts on?
Good. Yeah, good night's sleep. Protein shake in the morning. And just trying to get to the top now and get back to the van.
That's the goal. Sleep well?
Not really. Bit too cold.
Yeah, it was a bit cold.
This will be the coldest camp of the year for me.
Yeah, definitely.
How long left?
Well, we've been going about 15 minutes.
Yeah.
And it took 6 hours to get here.
Can you get my water?
So we should just stay on the top.
Rough stuff.
Never mind.
Enough rough stuff.
We walked
That's
down
my
that much
catchphrase.
massive hill there.
Enough rough stuff.
Oh, nice. There's water here. It did there.
Fancy a bath.
Thermal.
Smack in the centre of the...
So the inevitable's happened. We've changed direction.
Ooh. We've been stuck on this mountain for a good couple of hours. We've tried 3 different ways to get down. Each time a severe drop, so couldn't go that way. This is the way we're going. This seems to be the way. Not the way, but a way.
Predict we've got about 7 miles to go, but it's all relatively plain sailing.
Come on now, you lot! Come on, you know that! Usually by this point we're at a pub with a pint and a big old steak, but we're still walking on day 2 here, not really knowing exactly where we're going. A bit of a disaster this day 2. We all just want to go home now.
This is a lot harder than I imagined. This is a long reservoir.
Oh man, we should be on the way home by now, at least. This is the frickin' road that we've been trying to find all day. The A5. Now I think the plan is 3 of us are going to wait in the lay-by.
So we've reached the A5, however there's still about 5 miles to the car. So we're going to try and hitch a lift or run up.
Artie's attempting to now hitchhike. No water, none of us have any water left, and that's been the case for an hour. Got whiskey.
Yes! Was not expecting the 8k run at the end of that. What have we been on our feet? 7 hours?
Jeez, yeah, just over. Time for a beer.
Yeah, we're going to nick Ollie's beers.
The end of an extreme expedition. Yeah, boys! How was the journey? This has been a tired, on foot, off grid, extreme expedition episode. Extreme. Okay.